abstract classes. What is an abstract method? Let us learn quickly in this video. So, an abstract class is a class which contains one or more abstract method. Now, by abstract method we means that any method which is only having the name and it is not having the body definition. So, you can see here I have written void display, a method with no body. I have declared the method and terminated it. I have not defined its body. So if we want to create such method, we have to write abstract keyword before this method. So an abstract class, you can say abstract class A is any class which is having one or more abstract method. Let us say void display. Now here display is the abstract method. Once we place keyword abstract before any method, our JavaC compiler is not going to let us define the body of this method. And again, an abstract class can contain non-abstract method as well. Let us say test method, and this test method is non-abstract. Here I am writing system dot out dot println here and writing I am non-abstract test method. So this is an abstract class having one abstract and one non-abstract method. Now see, abstract classes are different from interfaces. These are different from interfaces in the context that interfaces only contain abstract methods, whereas abstract class can contain both abstract as well as non-abstract method. Now, how to use this abstract class? We cannot directly instantiate, we cannot directly create the objects of this class A because this class A is containing one abstract method. So we have to first define the body of this display method, and the body of display method will be defined in the class which will be inherited from this class. So you can see here I have created the child class of A, and inside this child class I am going to define the body of this display method. So I am going to write here system dot out dot println. Let us say I am definition of abstract method. Method's name was display. Okay, now class B can have its own method. Let's say demo belongs to class B. So here I am going to simply write system dot out dot println I am demo method of class B. This method belongs to class B. Now implementing this code, class C, let us create the main class. Class C, this is my main class, so it will be having public static void main method with the argument array of string type. Now here let it be very clear, we cannot create object of class A because it is an abstract class, it contains an abstract method. So here we are going to create object of my derived class B. Let us say B1 is equals to new B, and here we are going to call all the methods display method that was of class A, b1 dot demo Demo method is again of class B, and B1 dot, the third method was B1 dot test. So let's write test over here. And now we are going to compile and run this program. So I am saving this program with c.java, and I'm going to run this program. So inside my terminal, I am first setting the path of desktop, inside desktop demo folder. Now here I am going to compile javac c.java. So my program is compiled, java space c. I am definition of abstract method display, I am demo method of class B, and I am non-abstract test method. You can see the output sequence here. So abstract class is different from interfaces with the concept that interfaces contains all the abstract methods, whereas in abstract class we can place abstract as well as non-abstract method. And again, abstract class A is different from my final class. If you remember my video, I have created final classes. I have explained that if we create a class like final class A, so this class is not able to take part in inheritance. We can never inherit a final class. And if we are creating an abstract class A, we can never use this class A directly without inheriting it. So abstract classes are always inherited, whereas final classes are never inherited. These are opposite of each other. Similarly, if we create a final method, final void show, let us say, so this show method can never be overridden. We cannot override a final method. But if we have created the abstract method, then the definition is going to be provided in the derived class. We have to override this method to provide its definition. Overriding of abstract method is mandatory, whereas final method cannot be overridden. So again, final method and abstract methods are opposite of each other. So that's all about abstract classes.